But Mr. Keshe, is the sun a ball of fire or is it a ball of magnetism?
No, it's the fire we see. If you read in one of the books or one of the papers, or it's book number 4. It's
Yeah,
book
well, in
number
book
4.
number 1, you've also got it there, but...
Yeah, but in book
they
number
also-
4, I explained in detail
Uh-huh.
that the light we see, the heat we see on the surface of the sun is not coming from the center. It comes from the attraction of the inertia of the hydrogen gas with the gravitational magnetic field of the planet. What we see the light on the on Earth on the direction of the sun is in a much more homogeneous way happens on the surface. This temperature, which the scientists center of the sun is billions of degrees, is as true as the Earth is the center of the universe. It does not exist. It's absolute ignorance of the knowledge of the man. The center of the sun could be much cooler than the center of the Earth. But because the fields are strong, and these fields have a point of manifestation when the gravitational magnetic field of the two reaches a point of balance, which becomes the surface. At that point, you lead to creation of matter state, which is the hydrogen, so homogeneous. That hydrogen has a what we call in a matter inertia, interacts with the gravitational field of the sun and creates this light. And that interaction is so high that at that point it creates a high temperature. And we see this, if you scientifically look, we see it all the time. And so it has a huge gravity, huge magnetic field at the surface. Only the surface maybe could be for maybe a couple of 100,000 or maybe 10,000 kilometers is there. The rest of it inside is as cool as a refrigerator. These are the fallacies which we have accepted. But now with the plasma technology, we see it. And the only way, the only solution for the future generation of man to have a safe, non-nuclear contamination is not burying it into the depth of the earth and waiting for it to explode, is to make it a passenger in the direction of the mother. We have no choice. And when it goes towards the sun, gradually melts and gradually becomes part of what it is itself, because its magnetic field and its radiation field, the strength is it's a speck of dust into what is entering and what it's absorbing and melting into. Finished. We have no solution.
Couldn't we transform it into a GANs?
No, you cannot, because we have no need for it. We can create those ourselves with GANs. I can create any kind of radiation you could ever imagine by interaction of the gases in the right way. And secondly, this mayhem with nuclear is a one way. It's the only way to clean, or if we decide to clean it, is just pile it up and shoot it down the one-way traffic.
Within videos, the astronauts can't justify they can't see the sun when they're going to the moon.
But is there a sun?
Exactly.
So my basic question is, can a metal container that's nano-coated avoid degradation from irradiation?
Depends how you build it. Yes, it can. It's one of the ways, but not a safe way, because every nanomaterial has a saturation point of field interference. And once you reach that saturation point, it leaks. There is a lot man doesn't know about nuclear industry, a lot of radiation fields of the nuclear material into nuclear decay.